When you step outside, your eyes start to itch and water, your nose runs, your throat begins to feel scratchy. You might be suffering from environmental allergies, which frustratingly can last all year long. What's triggering these symptoms exactly? And importantly, what can you do about them? This video will answer these questions and more. But wait, what are environmental allergies? Let's start by explaining what allergies are in general. Allergies occur when the immune system reacts to a foreign substance that it has deemed a threat, even though it isn't. This can happen when the individual eats, touches, or inhales something. Environmental allergies happen when the immune system encounters something in the outside world that, in reality, is harmless. But regardless, the body goes to work trying to defend itself against this foreign invader. While seasonal allergies are more specific to the time of year, environmental allergies can pop up at any time, whenever the individual encounters a specific allergen. So, what can trigger environmental allergies? There are various types of environmental allergens. Examples include pet fur and dander, mold and mold spores, dust and dust mites, pollen, smoke from tobacco products or wildfires, certain insects and pests like cockroaches. While allergies are overwhelmingly inherited, an individual doesn't have to be genetically predisposed in order to have an allergic reaction. The reactions to allergens vary from person to person. More mild symptoms include congestion, sneezing, a runny nose, itchy skin, rashes, and itchy, watery eyes. In more severe cases, the individual may experience shortness of breath, tightness in the chest, and even an asthma attack. Now, how does a healthcare provider diagnose allergies? If someone thinks they might be experiencing environmental allergies, there are two tests that can help determine the cause. An allergy specialist can conduct a skin prick test, which exposes the individual to a very small amount of specific allergies to see if there is a reaction. Afterward, a blood test confirms the results by checking the blood for immunoglobulins, specifically IgE. This refers to antibodies that the person produces when they're experiencing an allergic reaction. eNational's environmental allergy testing evaluates allergic reactions to certain types of grass, animal hair, and other contaminants. It can also determine the possibility of hay fever and other respiratory allergies. Order your test in just a few clicks and visit one of our 2,000 plus locations around the country. Now, let's discuss how to address and treat environmental allergies. Always follow the guidance of the healthcare provider, who may recommend or prescribe oral antihistamines, nasal sprays, eye drops, or nasal saline rinse. Even better than a reactive approach is a proactive one. Here are a few tips for trying to avoid allergens in the first place. Use airnow.gov to see what the air quality is currently like in the area. If it's poor, try to avoid going outside as much as possible and keep your doors and windows closed. This is especially important on windy days and also if you live in or near an area prone to wildfires. If the allergens are things like wildfire smoke, smog, or pollen, wear a mask when going outside. Sunglasses can also be helpful. Since allergens can easily find their way into the home and office, consider investing in an air purifier. Look for one that uses a medical-grade HEPA 13 filter, which is powerful enough to capture incredibly tiny particles. Have a designated place in the home for grooming pets. This will help to contain the hair and dander that they shed. Also, keep in mind that pets can bring in germs and bacteria from outdoors. For similar reasons, you should refrain from wearing shoes indoors. Avoid letting your animals on furniture that you spend time on.
eNational testing makes getting a simple laboratory test as easy as ordering something online. With 3 simple steps, you can have your tests ordered for STDs, general health, allergy testing, diabetes screening, blood titers, and more. You can simply go in for testing the same day and get your results quickly to your email. eNationalTesting.com's complete healthcare panels come with easy-to-understand results at over 2,700 locations nationwide. It's time to focus on yourself. eNationalTesting.com. Easy, convenient, and tailored to your health needs.
If you currently let your clothing air dry outdoors, bring it inside. It could be catching and hanging on to allergens. You can find affordable indoor drying racks on Amazon. Clean your home regularly. It's especially important to wash bedding weekly, ideally, and vacuum regularly, particularly if there are animals in the house. This can help cut back on the amount of fur, dander, and dust that are lurking. Ensure proper ventilation in your home. Mold thrives in damp places. Bathrooms and laundry rooms are the perfect environments for it to thrive. After showering or using the washing machine, keep the door open and even crack a window if possible. This will help keep the area dry and mold-free. Check the stuffing in your mattress, furniture, and pillows. It might contain allergens. Look for hypoallergenic pillows and pillowcases. If your triggers include pollen or certain weeds, avoid mowing the lawn and gardening. Try doing a nasal rinse, which helps to clean the mucus out of your nose. Check the ingredients in your personal hygiene and cleaning products. This includes things like laundry detergent and room spray. They might contain allergens and other dangerous contaminants, best avoided. Yes, cleaning products can be toxic. Since it might be challenging, impossible even, to completely eliminate exposure to environmental allergens, working with an allergy specialist will help. Also, consider DIY home remedies to ease any symptoms. For instance, an eye or face roller can help reduce swelling and puffiness. Honey can soothe an itchy or painful throat. A eucalyptus plant in the shower can open up the sinuses and help you breathe better. If you feel like your nose and throat are dry, try running a humidifier in the room to increase the moisture. Lastly, be sure that you're changing the filters in your home, the air purifier, air conditioner, etc., regularly. This allows them to function properly and keep particles out of the air you breathe. Ordering an allergy test with eNational is quick and easy, and you don't need to visit your doctor first. Learn what's triggering your symptoms so you can start feeling better.